So get onto Kahoot.it.
Yep.
.it. Can I just get on the app?
Yep, or if you have the app.
If I'm rich, why wouldn't I have that app?
I have the app.
Come on. That for years.
And then here is the pin. 576864.
Hey, it went really well. It's okay. Wait, how did it go for you though?
It was good. It was actually
5, 7,
a lot better than I was expecting.
6, 8.
I learned a lesson on not judging.
Also, just so you know, I am recording something, so my teacher will hear everything you're saying.
Right now?
Yes.
It's going?
Its sound is being recorded. My screen is being recorded, yes.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Just go for it. Take the quiz.
Okay, hold on. We're waiting for Spencer.
What am I doing?
So add yourself to this game.
I'm added.
All right, are we ready to go?
See my nickname on the screen.
I'm not ready.
Oh,
Rachel's not in there.
Rachel's coming.
Rachel's coming. Everyone see Rachel. Say hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel.
No, it can't. It's just recording my screen. So it can't see you, but it can hear you.
It's like YouTubers.
Yes.
It's like video
I've
games.
No, this is perfect. Actually, this is better.
When I see people watching that, like the Benson or whatever, it's like GTA Live. You're watching someone play video games.
Yeah.
Do you see my?
All right. Yep. You came up. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. Okay. So 5 questions. Are you ready?
I'm nervous. True or false? Triangle must have 3 equal side lengths.
Wait, I didn't mean to click, but I did. But
But you did it.
I got it right.
Perfect. Perfect.
We all got it
I
right.
was.
Do I have to click next? I do.
Does the triangle have?
I don't know.
Oh no. I can't read that.
Has 3 congruent side lengths, 2 congruent side lengths, no congruent side lengths.
I'm not sure.
gonna
But
guess.
we'll see.
I honestly don't know.
Yes!
Good work. Okay.
How? There's only 3.
What is this a picture of? A scalene triangle, an equilateral triangle, a circle, an isosceles triangle.
It's definitely a circle.
Yes.
Good job, guys.
Good work.
Good job.
A triangle with only 2 congruent sides
See?
is an equilateral triangle, a scalene triangle, an isosceles
Guessing.
triangle. Nice.
Yes.
How do y'all feel today?
Oh, let's see. Say headache.
Wonderful. Good. Meh. Awful.
What's the right answer, everybody? I got the right answer.
Oh,
Not too bad. All of them are right.
it's true. Okay. Good work, everyone.
Wow. Survey over.
Save results.
says.
Should we make a milkshake?
So this just collected
That was
answers. It
boring.
didn't tell us if we actually got
No.
it.